we'll do this again. So basically what we're looking at is this is the silver box you're gonna replace. And I want you to see there's 10mm bolts, 10mm bolts. Now these do have nuts on the bottom. They're on both sides. So that's why I recommend you have a 10mm box wrench, because the nuts have washers on them built in. So this way they don't drop, but you're probably gonna drop one. So basically, before you even replace it and go through the hassle of unbolting it, you can just come over here and follow this lead and figure out which one of these extensions, like this, is the one that you need to unplug. So you can unplug it, squeeze down on this as you unplug it, put your new box directly on top, and plug it in. So I'm going to show you what happens. So that is your controller box. That's what's making it move forward and reverse. So let's go over here, plug this in, because your vehicle won't move forward or reverse. Make sure you hold it down so it can ground to the chassis. Turn the key, and voila, your vehicle should be movable. You hear us moving, but I can't move it because the battery's off to the side. Now, the procedure is the exact same as